Okay, it works. Hi, everybody. Shalom. I'm Harry from ESA, the Israel Space Agency. Before I start, I would like to say something from my heart. A threat from outer space does not distinguish between religion, culture, race, color, etc. I believe that the PDC is a good platform to start uniting the world. In my dreams, the world is one. Working together is the only way we can win global threats. So, let's start. The Israel Space Agency joined the same page in I1 subcommittees within UN Corpus in 2015, aiming to save lives all over the globe and create international collaborations. Planetary defense contains a wide range of topics and expertise. It ranges from tracking and characterizing near-Earth objects via space missions to deflect or disrupt asteroids, up to communication and disaster management, also using space assets, and more. In the last 4 years, ESA conducted studies in order to find the right niches to help the world's effort. The studies were based on our space know-how combined with high-tech knowledge, special experts, and defense experience. Also, we created an Israeli planetary defense forum of experts from various fields: astronomers, space industry, defense, high-tech, communications, and home front command. Asteroids, and particularly NEOs, research is performed in Israel's academic sector for many years. Israeli astrophysicists, observers, and theoreticians contribute to asteroid research, especially in the fields of characterization and studying their evolution. The main observing facility is the WISE Observatory, located in the Israeli Negev Desert, which includes several 0.5 meter to 1 meter telescopes. One of WISE Observatory's advantages is its unique longitude, east 34.7, which has a dearth of observing power. Therefore, WISE Observatory can be used as an important observing station to fill the gaps in complete 24-hour coverage of the night sky. Our first goal is to connect the WISE Observatory to the International Asteroid Warning Network, I1, by providing follow-up observation of NEO discoveries and photometric measurements up to visible magnitude of 19. Lately, we finished writing the connection platform, and hopefully soon, the WISE Observatory and its experts will assist I1 on asteroid research. Hayabusa 2 is an asteroid sample return mission operated by JAXA, on board of which was the Mobile Asteroid Surface Scout, MASCOT, a lander built by the German Aerospace Center, the DLR. MASCOT contains space processor chip, designed and manufactured by Romon Chips from Israel. That same processor chip is in NASA Cygnus constellation in Bereshit, the first Israeli moonlander, as well as in many other missions. Effective Space, founded in Israel, is developing a spacecraft intended to perform in-orbit servicing of existing satellites. The planned spacecraft will be able to service communication and other satellites by docking to them and performing orbital maneuvers. It will also be able to dock and dispose of space debris. As a spacecraft intended for in-orbit servicing, it is uniquely suited also to handle space objects such as asteroids. The spacecraft will be able, under certain circumstances, to deflect a small asteroid. In the last war, summer 2014, thousands of rockets were launched towards large Israeli civilian areas, but with almost no casualties. This miraculous achievement was partially due to a special cell applications that warned people in the expected landing area. We believe that such applications, given the right adaptation, could help in short-time warning in the occurrence of a Chelyabinsk case scenario. Another important aspect of planetary defense is the management of consequences in case of a failure of a neo-mitigation space mission. In other words, disaster management. ImageSat International is an Israeli company that provides satellite pictures. ESA has connected ImageSat International to supply satellite pictures of disaster areas for the UN Spider program in case of emergency needs. A contribution that can save lives by providing accurate and timely information for decision making. Israel is well experienced in disaster management, mainly search, rescue, and medical assistance. For example, our search and rescue teams helped in locating missing people in Brazil's dam disaster in 2019, in Kathmandu earthquake in 2015, and many other disasters. Our medical teams were also the first to deploy field hospital and aid injuries after the Haiti earthquake in 2010. The United Nations declared our field hospital as the best in the world. Many delegations from all over the world come to be briefed by our home front command teams. Together, we can save more lives. Thank you.
You want to take a question or two?
If there is a question.
One in the back over here. We've got a mic. Eric, here comes one.
Wow.
Thank you. My name is Seth Baum from the Global Catastrophic Risk Institute here in the US. I appreciated your opening remarks about the potential for planetary defense to help unite humanity, and I was wondering if you could perhaps elaborate on your experience with that a little bit, especially noting Israel's role in global affairs.
I'm not sure I have a lot of experience, but it seems when there's a threat, people come together and speak to each other, and they understand they have to work together to survive. So this is basically what I think. Thank you for this question.
One more, Rick.
Richard Binzel, MIT. I just wanted to comment that 30 years ago, it was remarked that there were more people working in an average McDonald's than there were working in planetary defense and planetary defense coordination. And I'd like to congratulate all the agencies that I think we now have in planetary defense offices about the number of people who work in an average McDonald's. So we've made some progress.
Thank you.